This is Ayzlee McCarthy, a 3-year-old serving up a lot of sass for someone her size.
She loved to tease, and you could just see the mischief and the ornery in her eyes.
Also in those eyes, a genuine care for others.
Like I would come home from work and she would be like, "Mommy, how was your day?" And I'd be like, "It was good, Ace." I'm like, "How was yours?" And she'd throw up her hands and say, "Mine was great."
But shortly after her 3rd birthday in December of 2014, Ayzlee fell ill. And even though the family had all gotten their flu shots that year,
Came back positive for both influenza A and influenza B.
Ayzlee died 2 days later. Now, with her memory still very much alive, Amber is advocating for families to get vaccinated.
At least I can't blame myself that I didn't do everything that I could do to prevent it.
And stop the spread of the flu, especially during COVID-19.
I'm a respiratory therapist. I've seen numerous elderly people that are already ill pass away from the flu in the hospital setting. But would I ever imagine my healthy 3-year-old child would? No.
Even very young, healthy people sometimes can get really severe flu.
Dr. Rami Vamuri is a medical director of infection prevention and healthcare epidemiology for Mercy One Des Moines. He says this year, physicians like him are dreading what might happen.
We are in a state of perpetual worry about the potential impact of 2 viruses causing severe burden on the healthcare system.
Which is why he says it's especially urgent to get your flu shot this year.
Since we already have a vaccine for influenza, the more people we can get to take the influenza vaccine, the less burden we can put on the healthcare system, the better the healthcare system will be able to handle any spikes that we might see in COVID-19, which we are all kind of expecting with dread.
The Ayzlee Flu Clinic will still take place, looking a bit different, but still making a life-saving difference, which is what that spunky little girl would have wanted.
Because that's how Ayzlee was. She wanted to give, and she was all about others too, just for being 3 years old.
Eva Anderson, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.